Let me just hold it like this. Dumelang, guys. Starting off the vlog, I'm late once again. But I've got a valid reason, hey. I was helping with setting up the decor. Oh, I'm here with Kito. Say hi. Hello. I was setting up a decor, so I'm late. But I did say I'm gonna be late, guys. I think my priority was just finishing up a setup on time, which I accomplished. But now it's like 10 minutes away. Yeah, guys, I don't want to chit chat too much. Let's start off this. Oh, I'm going to a baby shower. I didn't tell you. I'm going to a baby shower. The theme of the baby shower is something that has to do with bees. I don't remember what we agreed on, but it's centered around bees. So yeah, let's start this vlog.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow.
Bese tuzosiphoxa yazi. Bese tuzosiphoxa ngale yellow. You were expecting. So I woke up and I decided to test out my baking skills to see if I still can do it. Got easy mix. Boy oh boy, have I lost my touch. I really don't know what happened to my baking skills. Although the cakes, scones, they were not that bad, but I know I can do better. So yeah, they were not as fluffy and soft as I wanted to be, but yeah, so that's why I did this. It was edible, but yeah, I don't know what happened to my skill. So we were invited to a sip and see. Bonang fan. Anyway, we were invited to a sip and see. The baby shower had a similar color scheme to the one that I went to. We did the baby shower for the baby not the baby, but the mom back in November. So we are going to see her. She's turning 3 months. So yeah, we need to see those little cute features, and that's where we're off to right now. It's gone. Once they start walking.